Hi everyone, welcome to the Having Fun Making Jewelry Collaboration 2020, hosted by me. I'll just jump right in. Every month we make a piece or more of jewelry or something beaded anyway. And we have a color theme. This month the theme is yellow, the color is yellow, and the alternatives were to the other alternatives were to try a new technique to you and or to make a flower or summer themed jewelry item. Well, I did make a flower theme set, and I did use yellow, and the technique is something that I've done before, but it's been a couple years and I didn't do it exactly this way, and I actually ended up having to follow a tutorial which I'll link down below all the participants. So once I show you my piece and tell you what I did, please be sure to go over and see all the other participants in the collab. It's just a small group, it won't take you long, but show them some crafty love. And yeah, please, if you like what we're doing, please give us a thumbs up, and we'd really appreciate it. It helps build our confidence, it helps grow our channels a little bit from YouTube's perspective, and yeah, so you know, we all need to feel a little bit better right now, right? So anyway, I like this because it's bright and cheerful. So let me show you what I did. I actually did a little bead weaving this month, and I knew how to do these before, but I get a little uncertain when I have to connect multiples, and so I went looking and I found a tutorial which I'll link below. It's very clear, it's not written, it's a YouTube video, but see, it's best if you have some kind of knowledge of bead weaving, but it's a pretty simple design. I would maybe start with individual ones like this. So anyway, let me actually pick these up and show you. These are called super duos. These beads here, they're 2-hole beads. There's a hole down on the bottom, like into the middle part, and then one around the outer edge. And I love super duos. They're one of my favorites. So these were from their check glass super duo. Yeah, they are check glass. They're pastel white. I had gotten these back in 2015 from Auntie's Beads, which is now Auntie's Direct, I think. And these are actually Swarovski crystal pearls, so they're slightly different color, but they're both pearl. And I got those from Fire Mountain Gems, Swarovski pearl white, 11 by 8 they're pear shapes, teardrops. And then the yellow seed beads are vintage seed beads, actually, that I got from, I think it was, hang on, Shipwreck Beads. Shipwreck Beads. They were selling vintage Venetian seed beads. Some transparent dandelion these are, and it was like 50 grams for 99 cents on sale. The thing about these is, and these were supposedly 11/0s, but I don't recommend them for doing stuff like this because the shapes of them are uneven. Like some are more tubular, some are more round. It would be better to use a Japanese seed bead where you know it's consistent. And these might have been Japanese, but they're vintage and they're not consistent. And then I was going to switch on here. I was going to switch to white seed beads for the yellow flowers. So I pulled these out and it said they were a size 10, which is a little bigger than an 11/0, but not that much. These are more like 8s in our standard now, 8/0. So definitely not consistent either, and not even, I don't think, labeled as the right size. The yellow super duos are Beadsmith. I probably got these at Joann's a long time ago because they used to have quite a collection of them, and I'm trying to see, they're called Amber Opal Amber Matte. Yeah, Super Duos. So I used those, and then for the centers I actually pulled out Bead Park beads, but the clear and the yellow, and I owe them a video, so I don't know if they'll count this or not, but maybe. And it was in this bag of 200 pieces of it's electroplated glass. Rondelle. So anyway, I used the yellow ones and the clear ones inside the yellow flowers. And these I just put on earring findings that I had gotten at Tuesday morning, Raw Charm earring hooks. So pretty simple bead weaving. The earrings didn't take long to make at all. But this took me a little while because I just wanted to make sure I was doing it right and consistently. And so far, I just hooked it onto a closed jump ring, which was from jewelrymaker.com. It's a 6mm brushed silver-plated copper jump ring. And closed means there is no, they haven't cut it, so it won't slide off of there. And then I had this, I was looking for a chain. I just put it on an already made silver chain, and the only thing I had to do was take this jump ring off so I could get it through the closed jump ring here. I don't know if I'll leave it on that chain. I might, but I also might take it off and put it on a beaded chain using more of the yellow and crystal clear beads. I'm not sure yet, or pearls in yellow. I don't know. I could even make a chain with Super Duos, but I don't know if I want to do that. So I thought this was really pretty. The lady that did the tutorial, she made two and made them into earrings, but I thought, I'm just going to make it into a pendant and do an individual daisy, if you will, and then have a little pearl drop on it. So that's what I did, and I think they're pretty. I think these might be for me. Yeah, these might be for me. So that's what I have for this month. I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to go check everyone else out that participated in the collab this month. We're shrinking a little bit, so if anybody is interested in joining the collab and can commit to every month on the 18th of each month at 10 a.m. Eastern to have a video up and using the thumbnail that we use for the rest of the year, I would greatly appreciate it. Obviously, if emergencies come up and things, you know, we're living in weird times right now, let's face it. So, you know, I'm understanding. I'm not being as strict as I originally set out to be. I just need notice that you may not be able to make it for a certain month, so that we can let everybody else know and to take your name off for that month, that kind of thing. But if you're interested in making jewelry or other beaded items following a specific color scheme each month, but then there's two alternatives that you don't have to do. You can and you don't have to. Then please let me know. My email's down below the video as well. And that's it for now, guys. See you next month. I'll talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.